Hi everyone, this is a video for the Mazda RX7 Series 6 Turbo, so the early Series 6 with the carbon seal type of setup. So these are the NC31s, so your 5915 and 5913, I think that is, could be a 1.8, but it's around there. So early Series 6, very first carbon seal type setup. We have 360-degree thrust bearings made for these, so better oiling as well. The thrust spacer, you do reuse your thrust collar because they're hardened and they barely wear out. So full repair kits. This is for the late style dynamic seal, but basically the kit remains the same. We can change out the exhaust oil piston rings, so that's slightly different. It's slightly smaller, so those are the ones there. But full repair kits for the HT, I'll just show you, HT12s, -13s, 13Bs, which is the really early, as I said, the really early carbon seal type, and the Ks. So 360-degree thrust bearing systems, all made up for a lot of the RX7 rotaries now. So I've been doing that for a while. Really good success, and hopefully we can help you guys out.